Welcome to a culinary adventure like no other. Today, we dive into the rich, aromatic world of beef rendang, a dish that embodies the heart and soul of Indonesian cuisine. Imagine the tender beef, infused with a symphony of spices, slowly simmered to perfection. This is not just food, it's a story told through flavors and tradition. I bet you didn't know that one of the world's most flavorful dishes comes from Indonesia. Imagine the rich, aromatic flavors of Indonesia filling your kitchen. Today, we're diving into the world of beef rendang, a dish that's as much about the journey as it is about the destination. This is beef rendang, a culinary masterpiece hailing from Indonesia. This dish is not just a meal, it's a delicious experience. Each bite is a journey for your taste buds, a harmonious blend of aromatic spices and slow-cooked meat. Beef rendang is deeply rooted in Indonesian history and tradition. Originating from the Minangkabau people of West Sumatra, it has become a beloved national dish, transforms tough cuts of beef into melt-in-your-mouth morsels. Is a dish that's both incredibly flavorful and visually stunning. Ready to embark on this culinary adventure? Let's gather our ingredients and dive into the heart of Indonesian cuisine together. Before we begin, let's assemble our ingredients. This dish relies on a symphony of flavors, so having everything prepped and ready is key. Don't worry, we won't need anything too unusual. For the spice paste, 10 shallots, roughly chopped, 6 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped, a 4-inch piece of ginger, roughly chopped, 2 lemongrass stalks, white part only, roughly chopped, 10 dried chilies, stems removed, 2 teaspoons of ground turmeric, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. For the beef and sauce, 1 kilogram of beef chuck or brisket, cut into 2-inch cubes, 2 cups of thick coconut milk, 1 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 kaffir lime leaves, a 1-inch piece of galangal, bruised, 1 lemongrass stalk, bruised, 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp dissolved in a 1/4 cup of warm water, and salt and pepper to taste. Now that we have our ingredients prepped and ready, let's move on to the exciting part, creating the heart of our rendang, the fragrant spice paste. The key to an exceptional beef rendang lies in its aromatic spice paste, or this step is where the magic truly begins. First, combine all the spice paste ingredients in a food processor. Blitz them into a smooth, fragrant paste. You might need to add a tablespoon or 2 of water to achieve the desired consistency. The aroma of the freshly ground spices will fill your kitchen, hinting at the culinary journey ahead. This vibrant, fragrant paste forms the foundation of our rendang's complex flavor profile. Now, let's move on to transforming those beef cubes into tender, flavorful morsels. Section 4. From stovetop to symphony, cooking your rendang to perfection. Now the real cooking begins. Fire. Heat the cooking oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Add the spice paste and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring constantly until fragrant and the oil separates. Next, add the beef cubes to the pot. Sear them on all sides until they turn a beautiful brown. This step helps seal in the juices, ensuring tender and flavorful meat. Once the beef is nicely browned, pour in the coconut milk and water. Add the kaffir lime leaves, galangal, lemongrass, and tamarind water. Season generously with salt and pepper. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer gently for 3 to 4 hours, or until the beef is incredibly tender. Section 5. The transformation. Witnessing the sauce's metamorphosis. As the rendang simmers, keep a close eye on it, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. You'll notice the sauce gradually thickening as the coconut milk reduces and the spices meld. The color will also deepen, transitioning from a light cream to a rich, dark brown. This slow cooking process is what makes rendang truly special. It allows the flavors to develop and intensify, resulting in a dish that's bursting with depth and complexity. The aroma wafting from your kitchen will be simply irresistible, a testament to the culinary magic happening in your pot. Section 6. Savoring the masterpiece. Serving and enjoying your rendang. After hours of simmering, your beef rendang is ready. The beef should be incredibly tender, almost falling apart. The sauce should be thick and glossy, clinging beautifully to the meat. Remove the kaffir lime leaves, galangal, and lemongrass before serving. Serve your beef rendang hot with steamed rice. Garnish with fresh cilantro for a burst of freshness. You can also accompany it with other Indonesian delicacies like sambal olek, akar, or perkedel. This dish is best enjoyed slowly, savoring each and every bite. The tender beef, the rich, flavorful sauce, the aromatic spices. It's a true culinary symphony that will transport you straight to the heart of Indonesia. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes from all over the globe. Can't wait for you to join us on our next cooking adventure.